Good morning and welcome back to the next installment of the Locarla system, giving you an idea of what to expect when we launch the system. Today we're going to be looking at filtering the results in the table. So as you can see from here, we have this select options box, which will enable us to filter the records to build up tables that match our requirements. So as you can see, you can scroll along for the full information, and we can select contracts that will currently open up in external windows, but we are adding them to the side panel. But as you can see, we could select any one of these to show us the actual notice. So we're looking here, we're going to do contract type. The one we're probably most interested in looking at is the current tenders. So you'll see we're only showing now current tenders in the table. So I just uncheck that. We'll see down here we have 41,915 results. But as I check the box, this reduces the number of results, so it filters out only the current tenders. So we now have got 928. We can also select other filters here to drill down into this data. We look at sector, we'll select housing. So again, we've seen the number of results displayed reducing. We can look at location, and if we check England, and then, so at the moment we've got all tenders in England, but if we were to highlight Northwest, this is now going to show us only the current tenders in the Northwest of England. Trades and services, if we select repairs and maintenance, and we look at, say, doors and windows and kitchens and bathrooms, you'll now see that out of the current tenders we've got 15 results matching our description. You can see also down here that all the selections that we've made are appearing in this selected options box. This save is not yet connected, but that is our next task. We understand that you're obviously going to want to save these searches, but what we're doing here is we're just showing you the functionality as we go so you can get used to it. Expiring in is going to be for current contracts, current contracts, so it doesn't really apply to current tenders. And then we can also add a value less than if we're looking for specific low value contracts. If I can just show you, we can delete these, or we can open up these boxes here from here to make our changes, but we can also delete to refresh the results or just refresh the table. Interesting thing that you can do with this is if I search for weights, it's going to show me, as we've discussed previously, it's going to show me all contracts where weights is involved, and we'll probably see that over here. So these will all be weights. So this one will include weights. So these are multi lots, but weights will be involved in all of these. But what we can actually start doing is we can look at we can start filtering the weights results. So if we looked at contract awards, we looked at the housing sector, you can see, if you just keep an eye on these results, the number of results down here, you'll see them changing. We can look at how weights are doing in England. We'll choose the whole of England. We can look at any contracts that are going to be expiring, say, from 1 to 3 years. So we're looking now at all contracts where weights is involved, expiring between 1 and 3 years, and obviously we can also add a value less than. So now we've got 2 contracts with weights, where weights are involved in the housing sector that are expiring in 1 to 3 years with a value less than 5 million. We can also do that with roofing or any other particular trade. We can clear these We can look at, say, anything involving roofing in Scotland. Well, it ends up with 226 results. Hopefully that is all pretty easy to understand. If you've obviously got any questions, then please come back to us. But our next task will be saving these results and adding the option filters to the company and people's pages. Thank you. Bye bye.